I am Mohar, the founder of the Generous, Gracious and Gallant channel, which is all about sharing the best stories of mankind so as to inspire people to be the best that they can be. Today, I am going to share a beautiful story with you. The origins of this story are mysterious. They are part of the mythology and tales from China. There was once a farmer who practiced sheep farming. He was very content and a happy man. He had only one problem. His neighbor, who was a hunter, had hunting dogs which frequently would break into this farmer's farm and injure and kill his sheep. The farmer tried many times to explain to his neighbor, the hunter, to strengthen the fence between their farms and also to keep his dogs in the kennel. The hunter never bothered to do the same, and the farmer continuously lost many sheep to these hunter dogs. Ultimately, he became thoroughly frustrated and decided to take action. He went to the judge in the town and shared with the judge his problem. The judge pondered over his problem for some time and gave him two options. He said, one, I can call the hunter to my office and give him a warning and also penalize him. However, this will make the hunter your enemy in the future and he could do you harm. Number two, I have another option, but it is more expensive, but it will solve your problem and make you friends. Which option would you prefer? The farmer was an intelligent man. He chose to go with the second option and he did as the judge guided him. He took 3 of his best lambs, those are baby sheep, and went over to the hunter's house and gifted these baby lambs to the hunter's 3 children. The children fell in love with these cute little baby lambs, and knowing that the hunter, knowing that his dogs would injure the lambs, built a strong kennel for the dogs and kept his dogs inside the kennel. The end result was what the farmer really wanted, that the dogs did not come into his farm and hunt his lambs. The hunter, who was grateful to the farmer for making his children happy and giving them lovely pets, frequently started sharing his game with the farmer. The farmer in turn too started sharing cheese and milk with the hunter. They became great friends. The moral of the story is that a little bit of kindness can make a difference in our lives. It is said, a drop of honey gathers more flies than a bucket of bile. Let's be kind in all our relationships. It will help us to make our lives more beautiful. This also reminds me of the value of association as was told by Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, who was a disciple of the famous Indian mystic philosopher and our avatar, Sri Ramakrishna Parahamsa. Sri Vivekananda is world famous for as the founder of the Ramakrishna Mutt and the Ramakrishna Ashram. He introduced the concept of Hindu religion in the world parliament. His speech, Brothers and Sisters of America, is world famous. He guided us about the value of association. He said, if a drop of water falls in our palms, it's good enough to drink. It's so pure. On the other hand, if the drop of water falls in the gutter, it's not even worth it with cleaning your feet with. So much of a difference. Third, if the drop of water falls on the hot road, it perishes immediately. And if the same drop of water falls on a lotus, it looks like a beautiful pearl. The same drop of water, when it goes into an oyster, it becomes a beautiful pearl. It's the same drop of water, but its association has severely diminished or increased its value. Associate with the best to increase your value in life. Thank you, friends. If you like my stories, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. I will see you again soon with another beautiful story. Till then, be in touch.